Hello friends, in this short and very basic video, I gonna to show you how to increase downloading speed in Android Chrome browser. So open Chrome browser and search Chrome semicolon colon and double slash and write the flags. Then press enter. Here you will see this search flags options. You have to write here PARA double L E L. So you will get this setting enable parallel downloading to accelerate download speed. And guys, this setting will work in Mac, Windows, Linux, Chrome OS and Android. So thanks for watching.